What's up, guys? So checking in real quick, one to give you an update on today's trade. So as you know, we had our zones mapped out prior to market open that I posted in Discord. We had our sells and our buys. Our sells hit. We were able to protect, take half profit. Super good sells. I don't think it was a ton of money because I got knocked out. Yeah, I got knocked out right there at 27 bucks. So not a big deal. But then as we look down here, we had our buys, my 0.3 and then my buy 0.1 that I closed out because I didn't like the way the market was going. So I waited for another swing high, swing low to take place. So if we look over here at my screen, you'll see my swing high, my swing low. I had this trend line set up right. Hold on a second, give me 1 second. So as soon as I had my swing low dot here, and then I had my swing low dot, give me 1 second, let me fix this again. Here, as soon as this one painted, I knew that this was my structure, this was my bounce. So as long as I didn't have that bounce below this swing low, we're gonna buy up, right? So it broke trend right here. My stop loss for this trade was right there. So if we look at this out with this trade, I'm only at $10 per pip because I'd already entered today with a 3. I'd already entered today with a 1. So I mean, that's $40 a pip that I was risking. Didn't want to get too crazy with it. So if you can see right there was our entry. I mean, dead on the trend line as soon as it broke. And we were risking 19 pips. So we were risking $190 for this trade. Current trade is right at $1,429. Account balance is finally 70K. So finally hit 70K on the father-son account. Equity is $71,479. So if we were to close this account out right now at 700, let's see, profit 729, we'd be sitting at a $2,100 day. So we had a $5,000 some change yesterday. With today's account, that'd be $6,500 in the last 2 days. No one's complaining about that, especially when you're not risking much at all. Literally utilizing the swing high, swing low markers. I'm doing these updates on a daily basis whenever we're taking these trades because I want to be transparent with you guys so y'all can see the trades that we're in. You know, there's a lot of different ways of trading, but to me, this is the easiest and it's been consistent. As you guys have seen, I've been going live, I've been going on Zooms, I've been having live trading. I've given updates on trades that I'm taking, and every single one of these trades that I'm showing you guys, we've had losses and you guys have seen those losses, but we protect them so tight that if we do have a loss, it's minimal, very minimal as compared to what it could be. So super good day. Where am I going to close this trade out? As you can see, I've got this trend line right here on the bottom. So if price hits this trend line and breaks, I will go ahead and close this trade and be done with it. If we hit this trend line, take a nice bounce, then I know that we're staying on path with what we saw here earlier. This is the 1 minute chart. So 1 minute charts do get a little crazy. If we look at the 30-minute chart, as you can see right here, it's looking pretty good. Let me zoom out here and I'll show you what I'm looking at. So when we look at these swing high and swing lows and we connect the dots, we still have a little bit higher to push up to finish that pattern if it wants to finish that pattern. It doesn't necessarily have to. If we look at the 1 hour on this, which was an amazing 1 hour trade, if you're looking at that, we can see our swing highs here when we connect those and we're there. So, I mean, roughly right now, if we're looking at this for the push from where we're currently at, I mean, this thing could wind down and then hit it here, but we're roughly anywhere from 100 to maybe 70 pips away from hitting what I would say would be where I'd close out my trades today, or see if it breaks that. So if we were to hit that trend line and then break, we're going to stand these trades and run it out. But on the 1 minute, I'm looking very tight into this zone. So we'll see what happens. We'll see where this goes. Just want to give you guys an update, and I hope everyone had a very profitable day. If you're in my Discord, there was no way for you not to have a profitable day because we killed the sells. I even announced when we were protecting those. We killed the buys, announced protection on those. If you were not protecting on the buys and you were strictly entering those buys, our buys were at 34,607. So if we zoom out, it was right over here, 34,607, which was right there. So as soon as we got in those buys, we had a massive push up to 104 pips on that trade. And then you did have experience. If you wanted to trade with the traditional stop loss, which our stop loss was right here, which was 98 pips away, you had drawdown of 35 pips, which is absolutely nothing. And your entry would have been right here. And you'd be set at 197 pips for the day on the calls that I put in Discord to everyone. So if you're not on the Discord, click the link below in my YouTube channel. Join. It's the Discord that I'm used to leaving open while I'm up here at the Pip Lab. Oh, sorry, Pip Lab. Well, I'm up here at the Crypto Mansion. So I'm leaving it open for you guys to join. So click it, join. I post the calls, the trades, everything I do in there. And again, hope everyone had a very profitable day. And yeah, you guys be good, and we'll catch up with you later.